Maya and I am 9 years old. Today we're making an avocado fall ensalada, which is Spanish for salad, by the way. First you'll need a medium-sized mixing bowl, and then you're going to add 2 roasted ingredients. Roasted yams, and roasted corn. Then we're going to add some red apples. You can add any apples what you want, it's up to you. And then we're going to add 2 things that are going to garnish this salad, which are pomegranate seeds and pepitas, which are toasted pumpkin seeds. Then we're going to lightly mix that. We're going to add some salt. And then I'm going to use a lime squeezer to squeeze this lime so we can have lime juice in the salad. But if you don't have a lime squeezer, that's okay. You can always use your hands and you can get your hands dirty. Then we're going to add one of my favorite ingredients and our main ingredients today, which are avocados from Mexico. And it's always good to save the shell like I'm doing today. Then we're going to lightly, so we don't mash the avocados. So we're going to mix that very lightly. Now, what I'm going to do today, but you don't have to do this, it's up to you. You can take your avocado shell, get a spoon, and get a spoonful of your salad. Then we're gonna put it in the avocado shell, and then you can enjoy. You can serve it to friends and family. You can have it as appetizers and side salads and a fiesta. Now, let's taste. This is very, very good.
Avocados from Mexico.